I have a GE dishwasher that is making beeping sounds every hour or less and now has begun to shut itself down, so the only way I can get it to work is to flip the breaker off and on. Model #GTD655 SSJ2SS serial #RH799167B.
Do you know the model of your GE dishwasher? How old is it?
Model #GTD655 SSJ2SS serial #RH799167B.
How long has this been going on with your GE dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
I bought it in October 2017.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's been going on for about 6 months. I have cleaned the filters. I have studied the owner's manual and looked online for others having similar problems. It is not listed in the owner's manual and no one online knows how to fix it either.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. This is Mark. I'm an appliance repair technician with 20 years of experience, and I'll be assisting you today. Sorry to hear your dishwasher is acting up. That is frustrating indeed.
Thanks.
Your symptoms point to a faulty control module. We can try to reset the module and see if it stops though. If it does not, you will need to replace the module. One moment while I type out those instructions.
Okay.
Turn on the dishwasher, but don't select a wash cycle, then press and hold both the cycle select and start buttons for 5 seconds. You will then see all the display lights come on for 10 seconds. After they stop flashing on, you should see the control lock light on. At that point, press and hold only the cycle select button for 5 seconds. Then you should see one light blinking. You have just reset the module. To exit the reset mode, briefly press both the cycle select and start buttons to return to normal operation.
Okay. I'm at work now. When I get home, I'll try this. If it continues, then it needs to be replaced.
I will find the module part for you and also a video to replace it. One moment.
Cool.
Control module part number is here as a link to the part if you want to purchase it online. https://www.appliancepartspros.com/G Service Machine Control WD21x24902 app 6974044.html.
Good.
Video showing how to replace the module https://www.youtube.com/watch v = Voyage.
Thank you.
Anytime. I'm also going to provide you with a quick sheet that goes over the basics of resetting this dishwasher and how to test some parts in a test mode.
All right.
Have a great day, be safe, and thank you for using Just Answer.
Thanks.
Anytime.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.